And today I am going to tell you most important question. And each and every exam एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आपका एग्जाम में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 6 जनवरी 1947 कौन सा डे होगा, कौन सा डे होगा, आइदर मंडे होगा और ट्यूसडे होगा और वेडनेसडे होगा. Which day is 5th June 1932? Likewise. But in the question I have seen, one day is given. For example, if January 26, 1942 is this day, then find this day. But if you follow this formula, this coding, if you remember the codings I have given, I will tell you how to remember. Then no given condition will be required. Directly you can write which day is this one. Okay, no given condition is required. So let us come to the point. First of all, find out how I have written the codes and what is leap year and non-leap year. What is leap year and non-leap year. And in every 4 years, one leap year will come. In every 4 years, one leap year will come. And leap year is that year in which there will be 29 days in the month of February. And in non-leap year, there will be 28 days in February. Okay, that means the year which is divisible by 4 is called a leap year, and what is not divisible by 4, it is non-leap year. Here, the year which is divisible by 4, it is called leap year, and which is not divisible by 4, it is non-leap year. Okay, now see here. And the coding is that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and now the coding is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you should start from Sunday. And the coding for Sunday to Saturday starts from 0 to 6. And here, this is year code. These are the years. That means years starting with 1200, 1262, 1267, 1299, like this. The years which are divisible by 4, the codes are 6. And likewise you can write. See here, I have written some. That means before 1200 also you can take, and after 2300 also you can take. And what is the procedure I have written? 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, then 16, 1700, 1800, 1900, then 2000, 2100, 2200, 2300, and if you like continue this one, 2400, 25, 26, 27, and likewise. And the coding is that the year which is divisible by 6 is taken as divisible by 4, it is taken as 6, and then minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Likewise, the year codes are written. And how to write the month code? These are the month codes. And these are obtained by getting the odd days. And the many of us are giving the procedure depending upon the odd days. But I am not telling you about odd days. Simply remember. And how to remember this formula? Simply 033, then this one is last 3 months, 035, 033, 035, and 614, this is 625. If you remember like this, then it will be easier. Other don't remember totally serially. You cannot remember 033, 035, 614, 625. And in leap year, only January and February differs. It will be 62 and the others are same, exactly same. That in case of non-leap year. That means 3, 6, 1, 2, this will be, everything will be same. Only these two changes. For January it will be 6, for February it will be 2. See here. And what is the formula? What is the meaning of this one? You should write date, then year. See here. How to write year? For example, I am giving an example. See here. Which day is 5th January 1947? So what is your formula? The formula is this one. So according to formula, date, what is date? 5. Plus, what is the year? Only 47. Because you are telling you what is your date of birth, you are telling 87, 88, like this you are telling. So year is 47, not 1947, year is 47. So 47. Then what is the quotient? Quotient of which one? When year is divided by 4, you should write the quotient. Here. And what is the year? 47. So you should divide 47 with 4. And the remainder will be 3. And the quotient will be, see here. You should divide it 4. 4 1s are 4. Then 7. Then 4. 1s are 4. And the remainder is 3. And the quotient is 11. So you should write here 11. Here, I have written here, year divided by 4. When year is divided by 4, you should write the quotient. Okay, see here. And then, month code, MC, month code. And your month is January. And whether this is a leap year or non-leap year, how to find out? Divide 47 by 4. It is not divisible by 4. That means it is non-leap year. And for non-leap year, the code for January is 0. So you should write 0 here. And the year code, YC means year code. And what is year? 1947. So 1947, this one. 1947 undergoes in this year. So the code is 0. So plus 0. Divided by 7. Here. And the answer is see here. Add these 3 numbers. So 47, 11 and 5. So this will be 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 13. Then 4 plus 1 5. 5 1 6. Then 63 divided by 7. So when 63 is divided by 7, what the answer? You should divide 63 by 7. And why you are dividing 7? Because in a week there are 7 days. That's why you are dividing 7. And the quotient is 09. And it will be remainder is 0. And you should consider the remainder. And the remainder is your day. And what is your remainder? 0. And what is the code for 0? Sunday. So the required day is Sunday. Again I am telling you. Another example I am taking you. Why I should write this same example? I am taking another example. See here. 6th June 2063. 6th June 2063. And what is your date here? 6. What is your year here? 63. And write the quotient. And when 63 is divided by 4, your formula is year divided by 4. Then 4 1s are 4. Then remain 2. Then here is 3. 4 5s are 20. So the quotient is 15. So 15 plus. Now see here whether it is leap year or non-leap year. And for June, both are same. So I am writing directly. So for June the month code is 4. And the year code for 2000, it is 6. So this is your numerator. And divided by 7. So how to add? This 2 becomes 10. So 10 plus 15 it is 25. So 25 plus 69. So 9 plus 5 it is 14. Carry 1. This is 9. So 94. And you should divide 94 by 7. 94 divided by 7. And what is the remainder? 7 1s are 7. So it is 2. And it is 4. 24. 7 3s are 21. And remainder is 3. So the answer is the day whose code is 3, Wednesday. So answer is Wednesday. Clear? And there is one restriction. That means, for example, while dividing here, while getting your quotient, then year is divided by 4. Clear? And if the year, you are taking this year, for example, the year is 2001. 2001. So I am taking clearly, I am taking an example. See here, 2001. Same date, same day, everything same, 01. I am writing. So it is not a leap year. So day is 6 plus year is 01. That means simply 1. And plus quotient. Quotient means you should divide 01 with 4. It will be same 01. Because if this result is less than 4, the answer will be same thing. Same 01. It will be 02, then it will be 2. It will be 03, it will be 3. It will be 4, then you can divide. Okay. So that is the restriction. And nothing else. So here 01, when 01 is divided by 4, the quotient will be 01, that means 1. Sorry, the answer will be 0, not 1. I have told you 01, and it will divide 4, then it will be 0, then 0, 0, it will be 01. So the remainder is 01, you should take 0. That means if the year is less than 4, the quotient will be 0 always. See here. It will be 0 plus month code. Month is June, and for June it is 4. And the year code. And year code is 2001. 2001. That means 20. For 20 it is 6 divided by 7. And here it is 10 plus 7. That means 17. 17 by 7. And it will divide 17 by 7. 7 into 2, it is 14. So remainder is 3. So the day whose corresponding code is 3 is your answer. That means Wednesday. And if this one will be a leap year, and if it will be January, then you should take 6 code. Or if it will be February for leap year, you should take 2. Otherwise, everything will remain same. So by this formula, there is no given condition. But in your examinations, in all your competitive examinations, one given condition will be there. If January 5th, 1947 is Monday, then what will be the day of this one? Here, in my formula, no given condition is required. Directly you can find out. Okay. And please, if you will discuss about your friends, or juniors, or your brothers and sisters, you can remember this course. Automatically, you can remember this course. Okay, thank you for watching my class, and I am thinking that this will be very beneficial for you. And in my next class, I will tell you other formulas.